Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Singh and I'm your sales coach. Are you a sales manager working with channel of distribution mode of business? If yes, then I'm sure you understand what is market mapping. Yes, in market mapping, we kind of guesstimate the hunger of every tertiary counter vis-a-vis tertiary sales for a month. Now the question that I want to raise in this video is that as a sales manager, what is your exact role in this market map? Because if you estimate your monthly hunger of a tertiary counter and at the end of the month, the best that you can do is you can conduct a paralysis by analysis. You can probably prove which are the counters which have gone on a degrowth, but then by this time, you have already lost the market. So what is expected of a sales manager vis-a-vis the market mapping? What I recommend is conduct a regression analysis, arrive at a weekly hunger for fast moving SKUs on your tertiary counters. And once you have arrived at the weekly hunger or the weekly offtake at tertiary counters, then try and guard these weekly targets on a weekly basis rather than waiting for the month end. So next time you prepare a market map, arrive at weekly market map, and on every Monday, conduct a non-compliance analysis of all those tertiary counters which did not fulfill their weekly targets, and go and attack the counters then and there rather than waiting for the month end. I'm sure by doing this, you will arrest the slide of competition into tertiary counters. If you like this video, go down and click on the subscribe button, press on the bell icon so that every time I load a video for you, we will be talking